Next one is Dumbbell RDL. So you're gonna go ahead, you're gonna grab the casing of the dumbbell like so. If you got a flat dumbbell that's just circle, that works just fine too. These hex dumbbells work great. Hip width stance apart. Go ahead, we're gonna push the butt back and up towards the ceiling, reaching back with the dumbbell, big stretch through the hamstrings, come up, finish tall, squeeze the butt at the top. Okay. Notice when I do this, I'm not changing heights with my hips, I'm not dropping my butt down. That's more of a traditional deadlift. We want to make sure we keep the hips high so that we're stressing the hamstrings more. If you don't feel that, just give yourself that cue, push your butt up towards the ceiling, and that should completely change how the exercise feels to you. The other thing is, if you start feeling your back, make sure that you inhale, and when you inhale, you should feel the abs pressurize, tense up a little bit. Then you hold that breath on the way down, and exhale on the way up. Okay, that should help protect your back, stabilize your back so that you can move more fluidly through your hips.